Darating ba sila?
Are they coming?
Sasama ka ba sa amin?
Are you coming with us?
Nabasa mo ba ito?
Have you read this?
Ano ang mga ito?
What are these?
Ganyan ba yan ginagawa?
Is it how to do it?
Ganito nga,
Like this.
ipakita mo.
Show it.
Kaya mo bang gawin ito?
Are you capable of doing this?
Kaya ko ito, maniwala ka.
I can do this, trust me.
Hawakan mo muna ito.
Hold it first.
Sanay na akong mag-isa.
I used to be alone.
Kunwari ka pa.
You're pretending.
Sabihin mo na.
Say it.
Tandaan mo,
You remember.
makinig ka.
You listen.
Isipin mong mabuti ang bagay na yan.
Think carefully about that matter.
Ikaw ba ang may dala nito?
Did you bring this?
Sa akin to galing.
This is from me.
Nakauwi ka na ba?
Have you got home?
Kailan ka ba uuwi?
When will you come home?
Huwag kang magpapagabi.
Don't stay up late.
Tawagan mo ako kapag nakauwi ka na.
Call me when you get home.
May natira pa bang pagkain?
Is there any food left?
Bakit mag-isa ka dito?
Why are you alone here?
Pumunta ka rito minsan.
You drop by here sometimes.
Iba na ang panahon ngayon.
Time is really different now.
Naranasan mo na rin ba ito?
Have you experienced this too?
Talaga ba? Di ko naisip yon.
Oh really? I didn't think of that.
Naaabala ba kita?
Am I bothering you?
Bakit ba?
Why?
Hindi kita iiwan.
I will not leave you.
Ayaw kong umalis.
I don't want to leave.